Hey, good morning. I want to show you how to adjust the pedal assist on Senada bike, Saber or Herald. It might work on some other bicycle as well. So it comes with a SW900 and most of them about the same programming display. So what you need first to do is very simple. Turn on your bike as you would turn it on by pressing the power button over here. My bike is already on. And this video is exactly only for how to decrease the pedal assist speed, like level 1 or level 2, level 3 or 4 or 5. So it will affect on all levels at the same time. So you press these two buttons until it starts to blink. Then you press M in the middle until you see number 8 or here, P08. If you miss it, just keep going, pressing, and it will show up again. So you'll see over here it will be like 100 usually. This is a manufacturer 100. It means it will be at 100%. Sometimes they put 50%. It's basically the speed maximum will go. But it will not affect on the throttle, so don't be worried. It will still go up to the top speed on throttle only. So I reduced mine to 34 kilometers, so it's about 34% of actual speed. So if your pedal assist level 1 was used to be like 20 miles an hour, it's very fast, and you want to reduce it, try to put 34 or 40, and if it helps the speed you want, you leave it. So to change it, it's pretty simple. You just press either upper button, it will go up, or down, or here it will go less. So let's say you want to leave it at 33%. You just press the two buttons and it will reset it. It will save it basically, the programming. And now your bike will go up at 33% only the speed on pedal assist level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will go for a ride and see noticeable reduction in speed when you do pedaling only. The throttle will still stay the same, so you will not see any changes to the throttle speed. It will go fast up to 35 miles, but your pedal assist will be reduced. If you want to get less speed, you put less, put like 25 or higher. Again, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll see you in the next video.